Hi friends, we're gonna do just a couple things real quick with the letter V. We'll listen to the story that goes along with the Super Kids and how Golly is doing at the pet hospital. So we're gonna start up here. We're gonna read through these words together. I could be tapping out the sounds on my arm. If you like to chop the sounds and blend them together, you can do either way. But I'm starting with that sound. Now remember, when you make and both of those sounds, your teeth touch your bottom lip, or it's just the F is that air kind of pushing out, whereas the comes from your throat and makes your mouth kind of vibrate. So we're starting out reading that word at the top. It says an fan. I want to change that F sound to our new V. And now we have V and van, like the vet had a van. And that first word fan and van, they rhyme. So we only changed the beginning sound. The last two sounds are the same. So these will all be rhyming words. Next word, let's read it. Set. Set. Set, like I set something down on the counter. If I change this to a V, now I have V, et, vet, like Golly had to visit the vet. This one down here, starting out with that b sound. Ready? It says est, best, like it's the best day ever. Change it to a V at the beginning, and now it says vest. Vest, like the Super Kids gave Golly a vest. Best and vest would rhyme. Next one starts with a f sound. It's at. Fat. Like sometimes I'm not so nice, but maybe I'll call Perry a little chubby kitty. Change the f to a v. Now we have v at. Vat. And a vat is something that you could put, like, mix a bunch of food in. Like, sometimes we watch videos at school about how they make, like, chocolate or how they make ice cream, and they put all these ingredients into, like, a giant container and then mix it all up. That would be the vat, is what they would put the ingredients in. Okay, last two. This one starts with that t sound. We have t and t, tent. Change the t to a v, and now we have vent. Vent, like the air comes out of the vent. Tent, vent, they rhyme. Last one, Hot Rod likes to go fast, fast. Change my f to a v, and now I have vast, vast, and vast means like wide open, a big space. It's very vast. Okay. Great job with that, guys. Now we will read through the Super Kids story. So we know that Golly hurt his paw and he went to the pet hospital. So now we're just going to see kind of what the Super Kids are up to. Remember, Fritz said that he wanted to get some gifts for the animals, okay? So this story is called The Pet Hospital. It says, the pet hospital has lots of animals. It has cats, dogs, a gull, and a rabbit. Remember we said a gull is like a seagull. Sweet Golly down here is thinking to himself, I miss the Super Kids. Aw, Golly. But the Super Kids are sitting outside, and it says, the Super Kids cannot visit Golly. And they kind of look, you can see their faces, they look kind of bummed out. They're thinking and saying, I miss Golly. But Fritz has that great idea. Let's send him a present, says Fritz. But remember, they didn't want to just get Golly something. They were thinking about the other animals that were at the pet hospital then, too. So Edabetta and Oswald are over here. Edabetta says, let's send Golly a red vest. Oswald says, let's put dog bits in it. So dog bits would be something that Golly could eat, maybe like dog treats. Sal and Hot Rod say, let's send the gull a soft bed. The gull can sit on it. So they're making the seagull a sweet bed, and in the middle they're going to put soft cotton puffs to make it kind of fluffy for the seagull to sit on. Lily Ping says, let's send the cat a gift. And Cass says, I can put a bell on a ribbon. So they're kind of making the cat like a little collar with a bell on it. Perry had one of those when she was little. She did not like it. She would find any way that she could like squeeze her head underneath like the bed or in between something so she could like nudge it off herself. But it was always cute when I could hear her like ding walking around and making like little jingle sounds. Down here at the bottom, Alfalfa says, let's send the rabbit a gift. Let's put a plant in a pot. So they're taking like some cabbage that a rabbit would like to eat and putting it in a pot for the rabbit. And then they say, let's put tags on the presents so they know which gift goes to which animal. And they take it to the vet's office and they say, tell Golly the super kids miss him. But the vet says, I must get a gift for the super kids. So since the super kids were being so sweet and thoughtful and they made those awesome gifts for the other pets at the pet hospital, the vet decides she's going to give them something. And the gift is Golly. Golly has his red vest on. Aw, look at Golly down here. And all the super kids are so happy to see him. He's all healed up and has his little bandage on. And they say, Golly is the best present. So that was sweet of the vet to give the Golly back to the super kids as their gift. Also nice of the super kids to be thinking of the other animals. All right, guys, thanks for listening. Bye.